Viewers, I'm Nasrin at Thorncliffe, Toronto right now. I came here to buy my grocery at Iqbal Food. So I found some people are protesting about something. Let's go and check what they're doing actually. Metrolinx!
United will never be defeated.
The people united will never be defeated.
Thorncliffe Park United will never be defeated.
Thorncliffe Park United will never be defeated.
Will never be defeated.
Thorncliffe Park United will never be defeated.
Metrolinx, you should know.
Metrolinx, you should know.
Train yards got to go.
Train yards got to go.
And part of the tea party. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Brother Ahmed. Thank you, everyone.
Can be bought over. They think the Thorncliffe community can be, the one with least resistance. But today, we are sending this message loud and clear that this community is not going to sit down quietly. This community can stand for itself. This community can fight for itself. And this community will try its best to ensure that this train yard is moved from our neighborhood. Thank you so much. Thank you for joining. Now I'll pass on the mic to Ms. Tabassum, who is a part of the neighborhood office, to say a few words.
No train yard on stolen land.
No train yard on stolen land.
The people of Thorncliffe are united. We are Thorncliffe. Iqbal Foods has to stay. 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 All business has to stay. We want Thorncliffe. We are Thorncliffe. Say no to train yards. Say no to train yards. Say no to train yards. Say no to train yards.
People wanna know.
People want to know.
So we tell them.
So we tell them.
We are Tea Park.
We are Tea Park.
Mighty, mighty Tea Park.
Mighty, mighty Tea Park.
Metrolinx needs to know.
Metrolinx needs to know.
Train yards got to go.
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 One more time. Everywhere we go,
Everywhere we go.
people want to know
People want to know
who we are.
who we are.
So we tell them
So we tell them
we are Tea Park.
we are Tea Park.
Mighty, mighty Tea Park.
Mighty, mighty Tea Park.
Metrolinx needs to know.
Metrolinx needs to know.
Train yards got to go.
Train yards gotta go.
Metrolinx, in case there's doubt,
Metrolinx in case there's doubt.
Thorncliffe Park won't be bought out. Metrolinx, in case there's doubt,
Metrolinx in case there's doubt.
Thorncliffe Park won't be bought out.
Thorncliffe Park won't be bought out.
Thorncliffe Park has no space.
Thorncliffe Park has no space.
Move your yard some other place.
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 Metrolinx, you should know.
Metrolinx, you should know.
Train yards got to go.
Train yards gotta go.
Metrolinx, in case there's doubt,
Metrolinx in case there's doubt.
Thorncliffe Park won't be bought out.
Thorncliffe Park won't be bought out.
Thorncliffe Park can't be bought out.
Thorncliffe Park can't be bought out.
Thorncliffe Park will never be bought out.
Can you please tell me why you are doing this procession?
We are doing this against the Metrolinx train yard facility which is coming in our neighborhood. We strongly protest the train yard.
Protest,
Sorry.
yes.
Shame on you, Metrolinx! Park has no space!
Move your yard some other place.
Move your yard some other place!
Thorncliffe Park has no space.
Thorncliffe Park has no space!
Move your yard some other place.
Move your yard some other place! Move your yard some other place! Thorncliffe Park has no space.
Move your yard some other place.
Thorncliffe Park has no space.
Move your yard some other place.
Thorncliffe Park has no space.
Move your yard some other place.
We are united.
We are united.
We are united.
We are united.
Metrolinx
To show your support and moving the train yard from our community. Let me be clear, as a community ambassador, we are all for transit expansion, but not for turning our thriving neighborhood and small businesses into an industrial train yard and an environmental hazard for our community, as this is one of the most densely populated community in North America. 60% of the staff of Iqbal Food, one of the largest grocery store in GTA, are women from our own community who will lose their job. This is just one example. There are many small businesses who are going to lose their jobs. We are doing this for our children, our next generation. Metrolinx have deliberately targeted our community, thinking that this would be the path of least resistance. This would be the path of least resistance for them to build their industrial yard. But this has to stop. We are sending out a message today that this community is not a pushover. This community can stand for itself. The support you guys have turned out here shows that we are all united.
If you can, we've given you an alternate site. Use that site. It'll be a win-win for everyone. Please move the train yard. We're not having your train yard here.
They can go to Lisa.
So thank you for all of you for showing your support. We really appreciate it. And you know, this is what it takes. Communities come together.
The CEO of TNO, the neighborhood organization. We are here. TNO is a neighborhood organization that supports the community, and we are part of the community, and we feel this rail yard doesn't belong to this community for a number of reasons. Number one, the area is about 2 square miles, and you are taking 25% of that space. That means you are taking away space that the community can utilize, whether it's a space to walk, socialize, and do business, but also it's taking the employment opportunity of this space. These are the businesses in the community that will not be there if this train yard is brought here. So basically it's impacting our employment opportunities, it's impacting families, it's impacting the income of the community, and it's a community that's not wealthy, and taking that opportunity from the community will reduce the income of the community tremendously. This doesn't make sense. This area doesn't belong to this community. It is not the right place for this community. This community has no other spaces for recreation. We have a small recreation center here. This is the area the community use for walking. Elderly people do their exercise walking. This is the space where families walk around. This is the space that is the only space that the community can access their groceries, their other businesses, but also it has an important value for the community because it is the employment center. We would like to make it clear to Metrolinx that this rail yard doesn't belong here. Environmentally, it's not. We felt that what Metrolinx did is that the easy way out. They thought this community cannot defend themselves, so we can dump to this thing. We are for the radio and for the train. We would like in the line to have a station here, but we do not want radio. It doesn't make. We would like them to remove. It's environmental racism. It is just impact. Why I will ask Metrolinx why all their rail yards are in low-income communities and people of color. That is not right, and they should stop it. They should take it somewhere else. The community clearly says loud and clear, we do not want it. We do not want to negotiate on this. This is not right to our community, and we will ask and demand Metrolinx to find an appropriate place. This is not an appropriate place for a rail yard. Thank you.
can't hear you guys. Train yards not to go. Train yards not to go.
John Corey, you have the power to stop Metrolinx. Not one more inch on unceded Haudenosaunee territory.
I was the first one to oppose this, but after seeing